Welcome to Whole House Cleaning video. I know it's been a long while we have uploaded a video. Well, you can watch my previous video to know the update. So today we are gonna do a whole house cleaning. This is a whole house cleaning that has been done like in 4 days. There will be some of the contents which is coming in separate. All of those are coming, but today's is a whole house cleaning. So I hope you're gonna have a long motivation for today's video. Over today's video, I'll be explaining to you and on the cleaning as cleaning goes. So if you do enjoy this type of contents, definitely subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate all your support. So without any further delay, let's move on. As you can see, the living room is a disaster, same like other rooms, which you will see in just a bit. Not only you are seeing a chaos of after travel, but we are also dealing with getting the house in order for the daily task. This house was driving me nuts and dusty and allergic. It took me 4 days to get in order, and still I have so much to clean. I will be uploading the videos in this order. You can check the schedule over here. I will try to upload the videos as mentioned, but please do know that if there is some unexpected events, the days of uploading might get changed. So make sure you are subscribed just in case you don't want to miss the motivation.
But you want to make it difficult for yourself, for yourself, for yourself, for yourself.
By the way, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing good. So today we are focusing on getting all dusty chaos in control, mainly in living room, dining space and master bed and a part of kitchen. We just came back from travel yesterday late night to this video recording, and all the surface was extremely dusty in the house, and me and my son is badly allergic to dust. So we are slowly getting things done. It might not be perfectly done, but at least getting the house in control is something. So not only do I hope you enjoyed today's video, but you have anything of your to-do list today, let's do it together. If you are new here, my name is Linda. I am an ex-midwife, an artist, illustrator and animator, a wife, mom to a boy. Here on my channel, I like to share real life, mom life, work from home life, cleaning, declutter routines. If you like those type of videos, I hope you will subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you over here. As you can see, I am cleaning my dining table. I always get questions about cleaning the glass table and its usage. It's pretty much easy to clean with right solution, but it's very difficult to maintain. The solution for cleaning I use is Savlon. I used to clean with the cleaning solutions out in the market, but after the COVID time era, I started using Savlon. So I add around half to 1 cup of Savlon and rest water to disinfect everything. This table is difficult to maintain because of fingerprints. No matter how hard I try, there is always my son's, mine and my husband's fingerprints and handprints on it. On that sense, it's really difficult, but if you stay on top of it, it's pretty much good dining table. You can see I still keep all opened snacks on the table, which I really do not enjoy, but since we do not have a proper snack space system in cupboard to make my son and myself and my husband to eat the open snacks, I have to keep it out. It is just a system that works for us. Today's kitchen cleaning is only a part of it because we have given a separate day for kitchen cleaning, which the video will be uploaded as shown in the schedule in the beginning. So on kitchen island there was sticky crumbs, so I ended up using dishwashing liquid also for scrubbing and cleaning along with Savlon solution. If you believe it or not, dishwashing liquid cleans up surfaces like dirty, oily, all those pretty nicely, especially with warm water. So you can expect a kitchen mainly floor cleaning, the cupboard door cleaning, and a tiny cupboard declutter on the next kitchen cleaning video.
I didn't wanna see you when you came home, 'cause you always try to hurt me, and that's so low. When I talk to you about it, you're in defense mode. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. How can we work on ourselves when you say no? Whoa, oh, oh, oh. I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me in. I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me in.
She got me hooked up. Well, she pulling me in like a black hole, trapped in a grip and I can't break. Out of control and I can't feel my soul and my heart and my damn face. 'Cause I ain't be nothing without her. A king with no queen and no damn kingdom, serving up hate with a cold vengeance. Fuck, but I hate her, we can't slay them. Yeah, she's got me hooked, I'm down a ride. Leaving, she tried to kill me, I can see it in her eyes. Yeah, she's got me shook, this my demise. I'm bleeding, can someone heal me? I can't deal with no more lies.
I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me on, baby. I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me hooked? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me in.
One another major update we did over living room is shifting my bedroom studio to living room studio. I was severely suffering from sleeplessness over last few years since it was very difficult for my brain and myself to separate work from sleep. Even at sleep, I was alert about drawing the client works like I used to sleep only for 2 or 3 hours. Anyways, we agreed upon bringing the studio over here on agreement of keeping it pretty much clean every evening. That is another video. I'm uploading it as a separate video, so keep an eye out. Like I said, this cleaning is not about perfectly clean it up. It's an yearly update, getting the house back in control after the vacation, clearing the dust and making the house in work for us. And we are still doing it every day or every week. And you have seen all the toys over here, so that is also a catch up you will see on Get It All Done video, where we have to declutter my son's toys and dress table, which again keep an eye out. So all this entire house cleaning took 4 days for me to pretty much get a hold of it, but really from my heart I'm saying still I am catching up so many works as days pass on. So here in the master bedroom, it was pretty much fun that I basically forgot to record the little cupboard declutter I did. I totally forgot the camera kept recording on this angle, and even after the declutter for hours, I forgot to press the stop button. Mom brain, I think. Anyways, you will see little of this room cleaning on the studio refresh video, and I didn't do toilet cleaning because that was the only place without any dust, to be frank.
Everything is gonna be alright. See the flame in your cold eyes, breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright.
That is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and of course if you haven't already, I would love it for you to subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a great day and amazing week ahead. I will see you in the next one.